How to find followers on Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to find followers on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Threads. And from in there you can see my home page. So what you need to do is just click on your profile icon right here in the bottom. So click on that. And from in there you can see your profile page. And from in there you can see your followers right here with the number of your followers. So just click on that and you will be able to see your followers right here. Also you can see your following and also the pending people that you're trying to follow. So from in there, just click on followers and you should be able to see all your followers. But if you want to find those followers, you can just click on this search button right here. And then you can search for a specific person's username if you want to look for them on this list that you have. If you have few followers, then it is easy to scroll, but if you have a lot, then you just need to use the search bar right here in order to find that specific person faster than ever. So in that way, you should be able to find followers on Threads. Additionally, if you click on this heart icon in the bottom, you can see here the follows. And you can also see here some other things right here that you can see. So on the follows right here, you can see all of the accounts that have requested to follow you. So you can either confirm or reject their follow request. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find followers on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.